In today's video, we're going to be looking at a UFO that someone filmed, and we have the complete entire footage of this event. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's a video floating around of a couple in a car seeing a UFO at night, and the video is not clear, so let's just go ahead and get that in the air right now. They did film with their cell phone, they did film it at night, so with that, it does make it harder to film this stuff and get clear video footage of it. But it's pretty interesting because during the video, and I'll show it to you in its entirety, you see another set of lights like right there in the right hand corner kind of come up in the screen, then it kind of fades away. But the main focus is going to be that one light right there, and then it comes into being 2 or 3 lights, which you'll see in this video. It's pretty interesting. This could possibly be some kind of military drone or something, but I looked at it a couple of times and I want to get you guys' opinion of it, because the lights do go, they do drive underneath the bridge, and then these lights kind of fade away and then you see it again. So this is something that they're actually seeing when they're driving. But some of the more important things is that they filmed it in its entirety. It's only about a 1.5-minute video, and they filmed this final part right here before they weren't able to see the crap anymore. So let me quit my yap, and I'm going to play it in its entirety, and I'll be back in just a minute because this is some pretty interesting footage. Alright y'all, so playing this back pretty slowly, this is pretty interesting. I don't know of any drones that would fly and be this large for them to see, but this is one of the better shots. I know it's blurry, I know it's distorted, it's the best I could do right now with this, where you see 4 lights there. And if you zoom in a little bit, you can somewhat make out a shape of this. Now I can't tell if this is going to be triangular in shape or something else, but you can somewhat see this a little bit. Then if you go in and you try to like darken up or lighten up the image, you can see a little bit more. And if you darken the image up, you can somewhat see a little bit better as far as the shape of the craft in a way. So I tried to play with that, but I couldn't make out too much with it. But as the video continues to play, you see this craft flying, and all of a sudden it's going from 3 lights or 4 lights down to 3 and then 2. Now it could be that the craft is tilting at an angle. It could be a million and one things. So that's why I'm kind of talking to you guys about this. And some of the bigger things is going to be the exact location where this was filmed. What highway were they on? What was on the other side of that? Was it a bank, or was it, you know, a ditch area, or what? Because that's going to help us determine what this really is. But you see it kind of glowing down there at the very bottom, and then it just goes to 1 light. And I've never seen a drone, from my experience. I do kind of work with RC cars and stuff, and I've seen drones and stuff and play with them. I've never seen a drone go from a couple lights down to 1 light like this is right here. And then in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see where this second pair of lights came up behind it. And you'll see this in just a minute when these other lights come up. And there's the second set of lights. I kind of had to chop this up so I can continue to zoom in. What this second pair of lights is, I don't know, but she didn't get that on film as she was filming this. So it's obvious that as they're driving, they're filming this. So I don't think they really did any CGI or anything with this, because based on their reactions and stuff, it seems like they were legitimately seeing something they've never seen before. And then there you guys go, you saw 2 lights come up, and then it's gonna kind of dissipate just a little bit, because I'm trying to make sure I zoom in on this good for you guys. and then it turns red, orange, and then you kind of see two lights there, and this could be from the flare or the glares of the camera and stuff like that. But from when it goes from this one dot to, you know, a couple of dots or lights, it makes it more interesting. Like the craft may be turning or shifting, but when it goes under the bridge, look at that. How it gets bright and it kind of lights the bridge up. So I've never seen a UFO be that bright, especially a light, especially flash like that. Now, when it went under the bridge, you guys see that. So that kind of rules out, in my opinion, that this is CGI or something they made up, because of when it went underneath the bridge, the lights just disappeared. And of course, when they got to the other side, you see the lights again with it. But I'm not too sure of what to make about this. I mean, I've never seen, like I said, a drone like this flying at night, and I don't know of anything that we have, and it didn't make any sound, any noise that would fly like that, not a helicopter or anything, and maneuver like that with 3 to 4 lights showing on and off. So this one's pretty interesting. I don't know if you guys have heard anything about this, seen anything like this. I like to show this to you guys to get your opinions on, in case you've seen something similar. A lot of times you guys saw some of these a long time ago. And like I said, when I kind of try to play with the light and darkness of the image, you know, this is the best I can do with it, because the video quality is bad. It really is, but they shot it at night, so I don't blame them. They weren't anticipating seeing anything like this. But these are some of the better shots right there. You can see that there's 4, maybe more lights on here. And then this one right here, I don't know what this second pair of lights is that was falling or trailing behind it. Maybe it was another craft, or maybe it was part of the craft. I don't know. But it's very interesting that they caught this on video. And this is the stuff that MoveOn and stuff should be looking into. Seeing something like this, taking the video footage from them, hopefully whoever it is, they come out and they talk more about it. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere on social media. But finding out more information about the highway, you can't even read that sign there with it. And it's not like they try to blur it out. It's just bad video quality. That's all it boils down to. And I heard there was some AI equipment out there that you can use to kind of touch up on this, but I didn't want to take too much away from the original video for it. So of course, if I find more information on this, I'll show this to you guys. But pretty interesting right there. This seems to be the back of what could possibly be this craft or something else. And then we have these 4 lights here with it. And I don't know if that's the front of it or just turned to the side, but it's pretty interesting stuff. And then of course, this is one of the brighter shots right before the lights got really bright. It seems like it may have changed shape. Now, I've showed you guys stuff like this before where people have taken video footage at night. This is one from a security camera. I did this about a couple of months ago, where apparently the security camera caught this craft flying across the screen. And it was really fast, so they were able to slow it down. And these are some of the best images from that. Like, so this from a security camera years and years ago, and it was finally released. I think this was over 20-year-old footage with it, but you clearly see what could possibly be a craft there flying. And then we can't also forget the Homestead Now video that the farmer guy out there with his children took this video. He got actually 4 photos of this particular craft here at night. Very, very bright lights there. And it makes this more interesting for this case that these people just filmed. And then we also have the Beijing, China incident where we saw all kinds of weird lights and stuff flashing then too. So we can't rule this out as just being a hoax or a drone or something. This could actually be something that we're working on or something like that. But then there's also this footage here that people found in Mexico. Now this is during the daytime, so it could be that it was one light or orb and they kind of joined together for 3 or 4. We don't know, but it'd be good if we got some daytime footage too, because that can help us match up the craft, or at least the shape of what's going on with it. Because this right here, what you see here, was taken over in Mexico, and someone saw these 3 orbs, and they took several photos of this. But anyway, guys, put your comments down what you think about this. I thought this was pretty interesting. Wanted to show this to you guys to see if you've seen anything like this before. If you have, please put it down in the comments. If you find some links or anything, something that refers to this one here, let us know in the comments. Or if you've seen it yourself, especially at night, something similar, let us know as well. And if I find more information, like I said, I'll put that out for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.